Hi guys, Jen here with a quick tip for you. If you don't use Tailwind, you can go to any of your blog posts. This one, I'm just using this blog post, and you want to have images on there. You want to download, which I will put in the description area below, but you want to download the Pinterest Chrome thing, and then you're going to hit that little P at the top and it opens up into Pinterest and it lets you select up to 10 images. Amazing. I always put pins on each of my blog posts, so I'm going to click on all the pins and then I'm going to click next. And then I'm going to go ahead and pin this to my Pinterest board, Pinterest tips and tricks. And it's saved. So exciting. Let me know how it goes for you. Bye.